Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Hollabec, and today I'm going to show you 3 super quick, super easy, and super cheap Halloween decorations that you can make right at home. So all the supplies that I'm using today I got from Dollar Tree, so everything altogether for the 3 DIYs I only spent $10, which is fantastic. The first project we're going to work on is the super cute wall hanging, or you can use it as a door hanging. It's a very simple and very basic boo, but it's cute and it's spooky. Now originally when I wanted to do this DIY, I was hoping to get the pre-cut letters. You can either get them in foam or sometimes in wood, but unfortunately my Dollar Tree did not have any. So instead I had to put a little bit more work into it. So for this project you will need some poster board, black paint, a paintbrush, some orange ribbon, scissors, and either a marker, a pencil, or a pen to mark your poster board. So to start, we're going to stencil out our letters in the poster board. If you trust yourself, you can freehand it. However, I decided to print out some online stencils. Once your letters are traced out, it's time to cut it, which can be very difficult to do with poster board. So I ended up cutting out my letters first, just in squares, and then cutting out the excess stuff. It made it a lot easier than just trying to cut the letters straight out of the poster board. It can also be a little difficult to get the inside portions cut out, so the 2 spots in the B and then the large circle in the middle of the O. So personally I found it easy to score the poster board first along your stenciled line, and then it kind of punches out fairly easy. You may need to trim the excess afterwards. Once your letters are cut out, it is time to paint it. So if you end up getting the cheap Dollar Tree paint, you're gonna have to do multiple layers, which is what I ended up having to do. And finally, once all of your letters are painted black to your liking, use your orange ribbon and loop it around your letters, and you can add a little bow and then a loop, and then you can either hang it on your wall or on your door. It's super cute, it's super easy. The overall cost of this project was only $4 for the supplies that I needed, so it's cheap, it's easy, it's doable. The second project is even easier, guys. You will need a glass or a vase. I picked one that had this really cool design on it. You'll also need some fake flowers. I ended up getting 3 bundles total. You'll need black paint, a paintbrush, and that is literally it. Then at that point, you will just have to paint everything black. So paint your vase, paint your flowers. I decided with the flowers, instead of trying to coat everything in black, which would have been so time consuming, I kind of liked the grungy feel of it by leaving some of the original colors showing through. So I covered as much in black as I deemed necessary. But if it looks kind of dirty, kind of grungy, personally I think that's good enough. Just let the paint dry, assemble your flowers, and you got some spooky black soulless flowers to display. And the third and final project is my absolute favorite because it is the easiest and the quickest, and it's so cute, it's so adorable. And it's these cute little ghosty yarny dudes. So you will need some white or silver yarn. I ended up grabbing silver because that's what Dollar Tree had. You will also need some colored string. I ended up getting some natural, I think they're like corn husk strings. There's probably a proper name for them. And then all you'll need are scissors and a permanent marker. So the yarn I got was a little bit thicker, so I ended up only cutting 5 to 6 strands. If you get something thinner, you'll probably have to cut more, but you'll cut about 6 to 9 inch lengths of string off of your yarn ball. And again, once you get a significant amount of them, so you have a nice bundle in your hands, you'll just fold your bundle in half, and then using one of your colored strings, about 9 inches worth, use it to secure your loop, and then tie your extra colored string into a loop so you can use it to hang either from a hook or a doorknob. And the final step is to draw in the eyes. And that's literally it, guys. These little ghosts are so cute. I absolutely love how easy this is. And you can literally hang them up anywhere. Like I said, from a hook, from your doorknob. Hang them from your car mirror and make your car festive. Alright guys, but those were all the projects that I had to share with you today. Like I said, for all 3, I only spent $10, which is fantastic. And sometimes it's nice just sitting down and doing a craft. So could you buy something better? Oh, definitely you could. But this will be a lot more fun and a lot less expensive. And you know what? That's a good enough reason for me. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already, because honestly guys, I'm working really hard to hit 100 subscribers before the end of the year, and you guys can help with that. So that being said, I will see you the next time around.